Guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday, everyone. I'm waiting for the sun, but the sun is coming out. Only half is come out. Wanna see? It's in the back of the building. See? I'm wearing jacket because it's so cold this time. There the sun is in my back. Ito ko my hair. While combing my hair, I need to have a sunlight. And before I start cleaning the house. Today is Wednesday. Let's see, I'm coloring my hair last Saturday. It's good I was able to color the white. But my hair is growing. My white hair is growing again. I feel dizzy today. Every time I'm feeling sometimes my feeling is not see? I'm feeling that I'm floating. I don't know why. I feel that I'm floating. Sometimes I'm like this, but when I check my BP, it's normal. There is no abnormality with my blood pressure because I have I have digital BP monitor, and also I have manual. Because I'm using that with the manual, I'm using that when I study nursing assistant in caregiving. I hope and pray that I can able to save money for my OGT this year. I don't have money to pay for OGT. That's why I need to save first before yes, you want to see the sun. But if it's it is the sun is in my back, but you cannot see there. There the sun is there in the back of the building. See? That's the sun.